Northern elders don send a message go give Bola Ahmed Tinubu say 2027 make e no even think to be Nigeria president. He say the woto wey im don give dem, he say e don dey okay for dem. As e be like this, so they say that the North will never ever vote for Tinubu and also call for Sunday Igboho arrest. He say if dem no fit give justice for everybody, make dey release Nnamdi Kanu. My people, e don red for this last one. I want you to watch this video from beginning to. They say the Ghana seer don come outside come tell Nigeria say Nigeria must divide, say there's nothing they go fit do about it. Hey, shege. As that one dey happen o, now we come dey get the information again say that some Biafrans wey dey arrest since 2007 after 15 years. He said they don't finally release them. Things are really happening. It's in Nigeria. It don't read though. My people, please, before we proceed and show you the videos of how the thing they go, please kindly go and follow our new page on Facebook, Brabaji's Vlog. Everybody rush over there. You know, say wanna help me. Last time we reach up to 5,000 plus before they carry the new one down. So we don't bring another one come. You know, say when they talk truth, people no go like them. When they bring information, so many people know they like them. But with you, we can grow that one to the highest number. So go and follow that page immediately. Thank you so much for doing that. Okay, my people, let us see waiting the message where these northerners consent give the breasted Tinubu. When give the Tinubu say this is when they do. They carry him brothers, they put everywhere. Say they watch him. He said the time when go set for this country. Everybody no go like him. Just watch the video before we jump into another one.
What is Sunday ago? Why don't they arrest him? Is he above to arrest? They arrest Nnamdi Kanu. Up to now is in detention. They support to arrest Sunday ago because he carry letter, go to England, and he come back and he's working freely and he was not arrested. Let us not be sentimental, please. This Nigeria is not for Northerners, it's not for Igbo, it's not for Yoruba, it's not for Fulani, it's not for Orobo, it's Nigeria. We have to stand that. Where are you? Nigeria. And what are you? Nigeria. So we have to fight. If you are Mr. F commit offense, let him judge as Mr. B. But not one Mr. F committed, he will not. If IG want to do his job, actually, they should arrest Sunday also. Because for him carrying that letter, it's also a terrorist and it's also a felony. It's against the rule of the country, of any other country, for somebody to look that type of a thing that is causing problem. And they know him as a terrorist. Why don't you be arrested and he's working freely? So if they cannot arrest him, then also they should release Nnamdi Kanu, please. Because I don't see a reason why holding him while this person is working freely and doing all activities he feels to do. Then last time when he come, they lock secretariat in Oyo State. The secretariat in Monia that they need to Odudua. They even declare president. One female, Abiola. Where is she? Where did he arrest? And where do they prosecute her? Which court does he go? Which prison are they? Which are they in DSS in Oyo? Or where are they up to now? Nobody know. And they were arrested. So, as they arrested, what are the distances? Where are they? Simple. We could not be able to get them, and that thing is paining me to do. And if we want to do justice, President should order arrest of Sunday ago. That's all. That is my take.
What is the conclusion about the issue of the Minister of Power Supply?
Yesterday, when I went for a program in Liberty TV and the radio station, I strictly say President doesn't remove a minister who doesn't work. He just only chase people whom work and there's no work. We know those people whom he chase, they are right, they doesn't work. But if Hadiza Bala Usuma, she is specific on her duty, on her work, she must have put that power. Since he's supposed to be on the first of the list to go away, not this thing. Since he come all the time, we have a collapse of power. It's specifically on the north. It's like the minister is targeting the north. That is my take. And he said the power of Zangero in Ikanji, all is a lie. Terrorists did not touch all those things. What is the work of our security? That is why we have soldiers. That is why we have police. That's why we have DSS. That is why we have civil defense. What is their work? Civil defense is to protect government properties. So why don't they protect that property? It's telling us a story. It's just a story. Oh, look at the shameful something from our northerners. We have only 3 substations. One in Kaduna, that is in Mondo. one in Kano and one in Plateau. So you see the distance. It is only 3 substations, and that substation did not indicate Muslim or Christian. So our Christian brothers in the north, we have to form a unique understanding. All of us, we are all from the north. As they take the light, does they put a Christian light or do they put Muslim light? Our imam and pastor should come out and tell us that we should focus on one. We are all northerners. As Plateau don't have road. From Akonga to Plateau, there is no road. After Bauchi, after Gombe, we have Christian all there. Taraba, Adama, we have Christian. Does they have a road? They don't have a road. From Zaria to Kaduna, do they have road? No road. From here, you go Niger, Jaba, after Oyo, you enter Lagos, no road. From here, when you are going, say from Makwadi, you want to see Kalba, you will see hell. If you go one place they call Bakwara, that place there is a 2 diversion. You have to enter into community, not even the road. Are they not Nigerian? So gentlemen, we are all Nigerians. Forget about where you come from, or you are this, all what we are after. We need a good road, motorable road. Though the president say he have given a road from a contract from Badagry to Sokoto, which company they give the contract? Which are the company? Because that water that he give, that good water that he give, road for 8 years, it will can't work. You carry 15 trillion, give one company. What the company that they are, even don't know them. Now they have revoked the contract from Kaduna to Abuja from Julius Berger. Okay, which company they give that contract? Is it the same company is going to give that Lebanese man? Because that Lebanese is almost associate to president. We know him very well now. That is the one doing all Lagos project. There's no way you'll carry the whole contract, give to one company because of interest, Mr. President. Give us a company that can make a road for in the north. Forget about that road on the sea. Even I see them having a meeting. They don't even pay compensation to those people. The compensation they want to pay them to make that road. It is okay for us to have the whole motorable road in Nigeria. Why are we eager for that road? And what is our interest on that road? Why? Because simply president have interest on that road. That is all. Any road we want to start is from Lagos. That one from Lagos to Kalba, Badagry to Sokoto. So now the next one that they want to do, Lagos to Maiduguri. All road will start from Lagos, not from any other state. Mr. President, this thing that you are going, it is very good, it's a democrat. We have right to express ourselves and we have right to talk, we have right to present ourselves. But 20 to 27, it will speak, sir. Anyone who is convinced will say you're coming back now.
Dr. Gallus, what is the solution about?
Our solution is to stay aside and all of us will group ourselves. We are Nigerians. Let us understand that we are coming to bring a party that can flog this party come out. It's not working for us. Masses are suffering. They cannot feed 1 square meal. One square meal. Then you tell me, say, I'm coming back to the party. Because the person he brought as a central bank, that Cardoso, this is the MD who liquidated the whole bank. He collapsed the whole bank. And you carry him, put him, say he's the MD. What does he know about the bank? Somebody who killed a bank. The bank is off completely. They condemn the bank. There's nothing there. If you then you carry him. Since he come as a CBN, do we see result? When he come, $1 is 620 naira. What is the dollar today? 1,607.78. Is there any economy? And every day, Cardoso and the finance minister, they don't know anything. What is the last previous office that they hold? You must have a CB, MD of a bank, and that bank stand for himself, not to finish the bank and then you come back again. Even our Senate man is just follow. They are just why they raised that observation that time? A senator raised observation. I don't want to make sure the Senate, but he raised observation. Ask him a question. You liquidated the bank and you want to be a CBN? How? But because he was a commissioner during the president while he was a governor, anywhere money is coming, he carries his former commissioner and put them there. They are all Yorubas. No Hausa, no Igbo, no Shakiri, no Orobo, no Fulani, only Yoruba. Anywhere money is coming. Is that how they do the government? During Buhari, Onyefele was a CBN. But now, just check anywhere. FRS or anywhere. Even Port Authority, this in Namasa, anywhere. They don't do something like that. They don't do something like that, Mr. President. If you carry everybody along, you are for Nigeria, you are not for one group. And you are not for Lagos alone, Lagos boy. All those ones, some states have 4 ministers. Ogum, they have 4 ministers in Oshu. And most of those are the Lagos based. They are not even based in the state where they come. They cannot bring a councillor. They are minister. So Kadelso doesn't perform anything, Mr. President. He's the one killing our economy. He liquidated a bank. We are not expecting results from him. What you are expecting 2027, inshallah, we go full them out.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. Oya, watch this video. May you see Biafrans where they carry since a year 27. Now they come there 2007. Now they come they release these people over 15 years ago. Nigeria, if people really have a mission to wipe out the Igbos. Now waiting these people there, but after everything, they not find anything for their hand. Just like the way they are keeping in mind Nnamdi Kanu just now. Just watch the video.
The 19 accused persons shed tears of joy as the court acquitted them of treason and terrorism charges and ordered their release after 15 years in detention.
The judgment favored me. I give God all the glory for what He has done in my life today. Over 15 years being in prison, it's not easy. But today I'm liberated and free.
The trial judge, Justice Nicholas Owebo, says the prosecutors failed to establish proof for treason and terrorism charges against the 19 accused persons.
The judge delivered a well-considered judgment, exhaustively evaluated the facts, and came to the conclusion that there was no iota, there was no scintilla, there was no modicum of evidence adduced by the prosecution against the defendants. And what is worrisome is that it took more than 14 years to come to this conclusion, and that brings to fore one of the defects in our criminal justice administration. This is a case in which people wasted their youthful years. This is a case in which the state subjected this gentleman to trial for levying war against the federation. And at the end of the day, they could not produce arms, they could not produce ammunition, they couldn't even tender the so-called uniform.
The movement of the actualization of the sovereign state of Biafra is a secessionist group in Nigeria associated with Igbo nationalism, which supports the creation of an independent state of Biafra from Nigeria. Such campaigns are forbidden in Nigeria. Some of the accused persons say they were arrested in 2007 without any evidence of treason and terrorism.
I feel to break down heaven, to go and meet God, to glorify Him. I'm so grateful that God have done it for me. Actually, I was been suffering for what I did not know anything about.
I'm a businessman. In my shop, I have 2 stores, which I left unlocked. I went away early in the morning. They picked me up and took me to the police station. I told my neighbors that I'm coming back in next to 1 hour. This is next to 1 hour. 15 years, I left my shop unlocked. I don't know anything. Today, I regained my freedom. To God be the glory. None of us died. Oh, I give God the glory.
Jemima Boloko arrived.
My people, did you just see that? Things are really happening. Over how many years, and now they are leaving these people. You see how desperate Nigeria is to bring anything concerning the freedom of Igbo. And you that is in Igbo man say that this condition you like it because you have a small business where you go every day and come back. You don't know what people are really passing through because of what this government have caused to us. But however, it don't happen and I don't see them. Let me bring you this video for you to hear the prophecy coming from the Ghana CIO. He don't talk say Nigeria. He said Nigeria must divide into 2 first, and this prophecy it may be accurate because some parts no fit join, some parts go say may they wait first, but later they go divide their way out. Just watch this particular video.
People are talking about Biafra. What did Biafra go do? He go come where? You said when this man win in Biafra.
Nigeria will be divided into 2. It is spiritual world. It will happen.
Okay.
It will happen.
Okay.
It will happen.
Okay.
And before Nigeria 2 will be Nigeria again, unless Igbo man can carry presidency in Nigeria. Now Igbo people go feel move Nigeria forward. The Muslim they know if you do them. The Yoruba know if you do them. So Biafra is in the spiritual world. Nigeria will be divided. The time will come. We will be alive to witness it, or many will not be alive to witness it, but it's in a spiritual world that Nigeria will be divided.
Thank you, sir.
E don cast. E don cast. As e be like this, so Nigeria don cast, so everybody now dey japa dey comot. The worst part of it is that people no get money again. Even people wey bring out their land to sell, nobody dey to buy the land. So anybody wey get money now wey still dey buy, congrats, because you go make money inside. Na the situation wey the Nigeria government don put everybody, their citizens. As e be like this now, the only way out of this thing make everybody carry chair go in papa house go sit down. I don talk am many times, but they no go gree. My people, abeg make you drop your own opinion and share the video as e dey hot.